Hi, this is JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician, and this is my birthday month, so of course I start thinking about anti-aging. That's hard not to do. So, as an esthetician, one of the questions I get asked often is, can I just use one product on my face and make it easy? And yes, you can, and there are products that do help you with, if you want to just use that all alone. But if you want better results, you're going to need to use more than one product. And I know, for example, Viktoria De Ann product line, they make a product for different parts of your face and for different concerns. And for me, one of their top products are their eye serum, their Pepti Lift and Pepti Tone. The Pepti Lift lifts and the Pepti Tone tones. You know, when you get that soft-looking skin in here, it tones it. So a Pepti Lift, Pepti Tone. If you just want to use one, you'll get one or the other, lift or the tone. If you use both, you're going to get both of them. So that's a decision you're going to need to make. Now, another product that they have is a Pepti Elastin, and that is meant for the jowl area in here and in this area, the loose area. And it works amazing on the jowls. And you can use it by itself, but if you use it with the Pepti Lift, you're going to have better results, because you picture that just taking care of your jowls or using a little lift and your jowls. See, you're going to get a better response with that. So that's something that you need to think of. And then with their eye serum, it's great for under the eyes, crow's feet, the lids. And I tell people to, put a little bit on your 11 if you have one, or the nasolabial areas, or wrinkles around the mouth. You can use it for all of that. But there are times you are going to need more than one product, and that's why I'm here to help you, because I'm an esthetician, and that's what I like to do. I want you all to love your skin. I personally do not use Botox or fillers, because I don't really agree with them. I feel I'm sorry, I can't even talk. I feel that it's easy to look good with just using the right products. And with the Viktoria De Ann products, they work with your own amino acids and help you create your own peptides. So you're getting that great firming skin that, as long as you use the products, you're going to have that look. If you stop using them, of course you're not going to, because what peptides do are they just soften those wrinkles, almost like you iron your face in a way. They just soften them all. And the longer you use them, the better you're going to look. It's not something that you're going to put on and overnight you're going to look good, and it might even take more than a month or two, but as you keep using them, those wrinkles are going to soften and soften and soften, and eventually you're going to have really smooth skin with no wrinkles. That's what I've experienced from it, and I've used them almost 10 years. So, and most of my clients do. I have clients that are just love this product line. So I'm really easy to reach. I have a toll-free number, and I'm happy to help you, or send me a message. And I look forward to talking to you. Thank you.